High in the heart of the Pyrenees Mountains, between France and Spain, lies one of Europe's smallest and most fascinating countries, Andorra. A land of towering mountains, crystal-clear rivers, ancient churches, charming stone villages, and breathtaking landscapes, Andorra is often called Europe's hidden mountain paradise. Although it covers only a small area, this remarkable country offers a rich history, unique culture, exciting adventures, and unforgettable natural beauty. Join us as we explore the incredible world of Andorra. Our journey begins in Andorra la Vella, the capital city and the highest capital in Europe, sitting more than 1,000 meters above sea level. Surrounded by dramatic mountain peaks, the city perfectly combines modern life with centuries of history. Walk through the narrow streets of the Old Quarter, where traditional stone houses and historic buildings tell stories of the country's past. Visit the Casa de la Vall, a historic building that once served as Andorra's parliament and remains a symbol of the nation's independence. The city is also famous for its duty-free shopping, welcoming millions of visitors every year. From luxury fashion to local products, shopping has become an important part of Andorra's tourism. But beyond the modern shops lies a peaceful atmosphere, where mountain views can be seen from almost every corner. One of the most remarkable facts about Andorra is its history. For more than 7 centuries, this tiny nation has preserved its independence despite being surrounded by much larger neighbors. Its unique political system, shared by the President of France and the Bishop of Urgell in Spain as co-princes, makes Andorra one of the most distinctive countries in the world. This extraordinary tradition reflects centuries of cooperation and peaceful governance. Leaving the capital behind, we travel into the picturesque valleys that make Andorra so special. Our first stop is the beautiful village of Ordino, often considered the country's cultural heart. Stone houses decorated with flowers, quiet streets, and traditional architecture create an atmosphere that feels untouched by time. Nearby museums showcase local history, mountain traditions, and the daily life of Andorran families through the centuries. As we continue our journey, the scenery becomes even more spectacular. Towering peaks rise above green forests, while rivers flow through peaceful valleys filled with wildflowers during the summer months. Nature is truly the soul of Andorra. Adventure seekers from around the world visit Andorra throughout the year. During winter, the country transforms into one of Europe's finest skiing destinations. Resorts such as Grand Valira and Pal Arinsal offer hundreds of kilometers of perfectly maintained ski slopes for beginners and professionals alike. Snow-covered mountains, modern cable cars, cozy alpine villages, and breathtaking scenery create an unforgettable winter experience. When the snow melts, Andorra reveals another side of its beauty. Summer brings endless opportunities for hiking, mountain biking, climbing, and wildlife photography. Well-marked trails lead visitors through forests, waterfalls, alpine lakes, and panoramic viewpoints that stretch across the Pyrenees. One of the country's greatest natural treasures is the Madriu Perafita Clarer Valley, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This untouched valley has remained largely unchanged for centuries. Ancient shepherd paths, traditional stone huts, peaceful rivers, and vast mountain landscapes preserve a way of life that has existed for generations. Walking through the valley offers a rare opportunity to experience nature in its purest form. No visit to Andorra would be complete without discovering its beautiful Romanesque churches. Scattered throughout the mountains, these small stone churches date back nearly 1,000 years. Their simple architecture and peaceful surroundings reflect the country's deep spiritual and cultural heritage. Another unforgettable experience awaits at Caldea, one of Europe's largest mountain spa complexes. Its naturally heated thermal waters have attracted visitors seeking relaxation for decades. After a day of hiking or skiing, soaking in the warm mineral pools while surrounded by mountain scenery becomes a truly unforgettable experience. Food is another important part of Andorran culture. Influenced by both French and Spanish traditions, local cuisine celebrates fresh mountain ingredients. Visitors can enjoy grilled meats, traditional stews, handmade sausages, mountain cheeses, fresh trout, and delicious homemade desserts. Dining in a traditional mountain restaurant is more than just a meal. It is a warm cultural experience shared with family and friends. Throughout the year, Andorra celebrates colorful festivals that preserve its traditions and identity. Music, folk dancing, religious celebrations, and local markets bring communities together while welcoming visitors from around the world. These festivals offer a wonderful opportunity to experience authentic Andorran culture. One of the greatest advantages of visiting Andorra is its safety, cleanliness, and peaceful atmosphere. Whether exploring mountain villages, hiking through nature reserves, or enjoying the lively streets of the capital, visitors often describe the country as welcoming and relaxing. The best time to visit depends on the experience you seek. From December to March, Andorra becomes a snowy paradise for skiing and winter sports. From June to September, pleasant temperatures make it perfect for hiking, sightseeing, cycling, and exploring the mountains. Spring and autumn also offer beautiful scenery, colorful landscapes, and fewer crowds. Despite being one of Europe's smallest nations, Andorra delivers experiences that rival much larger destinations. Its breathtaking mountains, fascinating history, rich traditions, welcoming people, and unforgettable landscapes create memories that last a lifetime. Every valley tells a story. Every village preserves centuries of heritage. Every mountain invites a new adventure. And every journey through Andorra reminds us that sometimes the world's greatest treasures are found in its smallest places. Thank you for joining Tourpedia on this unforgettable journey through the hidden kingdom of the Pyrenees. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tourpedia for more inspiring travel documentaries from around the world. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep traveling with Tourpedia.